I would say immediately. And there's a multitude of reasons for that. Number one, the insurance companies are on top of it. You even have an obligation under your policy to report your claim, typically within 24 hours. And a lot of times they try and get people to settle on the spot really quickly. Hey, it's a little fender bender, here's $500, and you can sign away your entire claim. It takes a little while for injuries to manifest themselves sometimes. You might have an injured shoulder and think it's not serious, it's a sprain or a strain, and yet over the weeks and months after that it keeps getting worse, and then you go and you find you have a torn labrum or a torn rotator cuff and you need surgery, and you've signed a waiver and you've now lost your ability to pursue that claim. So having counsel to guide you is something that's very important. Additionally, it's assisting you with a traumatic experience, okay? It is really not a fun experience to be in a car accident. You're usually in shock, you're nervous, you have damage to your car, you have to potentially get a rental car, you got to get your car fixed, you might be missing work, you need to go and see doctors, you need medical care and treatment, you have to navigate your way through the minefield of insurance coverages, and for the layperson, that's a really hard thing to do. It helps to have experienced people who can hold your hand and walk you through that process or do it for you to eliminate your stress. You can focus on getting better or getting back to work. And the other thing is, it's important to have the right attorneys there. We see, unfortunately, a lot of cases where, people get in accidents that are former clients of ours, and they're getting solicited by law firms, which is very illegal, and those attorneys might not necessarily be as adept in handling those cases. So you need good representation so that they can give you the right advice and guidance, and you can make the decisions that make most sense for you as far as getting your car fixed and a rental and medical care and condition, and if you have a claim that's worth pursuing and if you want. So I always recommend, it's free. I'm a big believer, the more knowledge you have, the better. So whether it's our firm or another firm, it's always important to reach out and get counsel as soon as you can.